Agua Siki. Hey, I'm champion na this game.
Daddy.
Hey, Muna. Hello, Kanaman. Kadu.
I want to play.
Oh, you want to play? You want to play? I'm going to beat you in this game.
No, I am.
I will beat you in this game. I'm a champion.
No,
Champion.
I am.
Okay, no problem. Siki one.
Daddy, do you know what the word bon appetit means?
Bon appetit.
Yeah.
Bon appetit. I know it now. Bon appetit. Like when we go to eat in the restaurant, and it's a French word. They say, enjoy your meal, something like that, right?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, I know that word, bon appetit, is gotten from an Igbo word. Yes. Don't mind these French people. They got that word from Igbo word, from Isi Alangwa. So many years ago, in Isi Alangwa. Now these French people, they came from France. They were looking for new words, and so they saw this man. That man. The man's name is Mazi Okoro, right? Mazi Okoro. Now Mazi Okoro had a brother. The name of his brother was Boniface, but they used to call him Bon. So as they were walking through one part, that part is filled with apịtị, poto. You know what is poto? What is poto? Mud. Yes. So as they were walking through that apịtị, Bon, who was Mazi Okoro's brother, was about to step his foot into the apịtị, and his brother shouted, "Bon apịtị! Bon apịtị! Bon appetit, bon appetit, bon appetit, bon appetit, bon appetit." So that Frenchman, I heard that word. I said, "Bon appetit, bon appetit, bon appetit, bon appetit." Bon appetit, bon appetit, bon appetit.
But Daddy,
And
is this story true?